Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add a full screen and full width background image for your WordPress website. Here you can go in website dashboard, and after that you can install a free plugin. Let's go to plugin sections and search for full screen background. You can install this plugin free of cost. Let me scroll down, and on this page you can see all the installed plugins. Then you can activate the plugin. After that you can go to plugin settings. Then here you can see you can select full screen background image, video and color. So let's see, at this moment I want to select this image, and here you can select background size, then position, background attachment. Here you can see fixed, scroll and different other options. Then click on save changes, and here you can select on which particular pages you want to display this one. You can also select this one, all pages. Now let's go to website front side and we load this page. Now here you can see background images added.